I bet you didn't know machines can learn just like us. They suggest your next favorite song and even protect you from fraud. But stepping into this magical world can be daunting. That's where our hero, Scikit-Learn, comes in. A friendly guide in the realm of machine learning, Scikit-Learn is here to help. It provides a simple interface to a treasure trove of algorithms, making it easy to build and deploy your models. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a curious newcomer, Scikit-Learn is your trusty companion. It has tools for image recognition, spam filtering, and so much more. This is what Scikit-Learn brings to the table. It simplifies complex tasks and helps you uncover hidden insights. With Scikit-Learn, your ideas can come to life. Next, we'll explore its features, how to install it, and how to make it work for you. Am I the only one that didn't know the fascinating origins of Scikit-Learn? It was the year 2007 when a young programmer named David Kurnipo embarked on a Google Summer of Code project. His vision was to create a machine learning library using Python, and he called it Scikit-Learn. As time passed, this humble project began to grow, attracting a community of passionate contributors. Among them were key developers like Mathieu Blondel, Fabian Pedregosa, and Andreas Müller, who played pivotal roles in shaping its future. In 2010, the story took a significant turn when INRIA, a renowned French research institution, joined the adventure. This partnership propelled Scikit-Learn to new heights, making it a leading machine learning library. Today, Scikit-Learn's influence spans across numerous fields, powering modern data science applications. Its open-source nature, comprehensive documentation, and vibrant community make it a beloved tool for everyone. And so, the journey continues. Stop doing guesswork. Do this instead to set up your Scikit-Learn environment. Before you dive into the world of machine learning, you need to prepare your playground. This means gathering all the tools you'll need, starting with installing the essential libraries. The simplest way to do this is by using pip, your trusty package installer. Open your terminal and type pip install u Scikit-Learn. With this command, Scikit-Learn and all its dependencies will be at your fingertips. To keep your environment clean and avoid conflicts, it's wise to create a virtual environment. Scikit-Learn relies on powerful libraries like NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. If they're not already installed, pip will handle it for you. Once everything is set up, you're ready to start coding. To verify your setup, try importing Scikit-Learn in a script or shell. Import sklearn print, sklearn. If it works, congratulations, your playground is ready. Now, you're all set to explore the fascinating world of machine learning. I bet you didn't know about the magical toolkit known as Scikit-Learn. This toolkit is famous for its vast array of machine learning tools, each designed to solve different challenges. One of its most powerful spells is classification, which can sort data into neat categories. With algorithms like logistic regression and support vector machines, it can tackle tasks like spam detection and image classification. And then there are the mighty decision trees, perfect for these tasks. Another spell in its arsenal is regression, which can predict continuous values. With linear regression, ridge regression, and support vector regression, it can foresee stock prices and sales trends. The toolkit also has the power of clustering, grouping similar data points to uncover hidden patterns. K-means, DBSCAN, and hierarchical clustering are its trusted allies in this quest. High-dimensional data is no match for its dimensionality reduction spells. Techniques like principal component analysis, PCA, and T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding, TSNE, can shrink data while preserving its essence. Choosing the right algorithm and evaluating its performance is crucial, and Scikit-Learn has the perfect tools for this. Cross-validation, hyperparameter tuning, and performance metrics ensure that models perform well with new data. These are just a few of the wonders Scikit-Learn offers. With its powerful tools, data scientists can conquer many machine learning challenges and achieve great success. This is gonna blow your mind. Welcome to Section 5, where we embark on an exciting journey with the iris dataset. Imagine a garden filled with beautiful irises. Our mission? to predict the species of these flowers using their measurements. The dataset contains the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width of 3 iris species: Setosa, Versicolor, and Virginica. Our task is to build a model that can predict the species based on these measurements. For this, we'll use the K-nearest neighbors, or KNN, algorithm. Let's take a peek at the code. Python from Scikit-Learn.datasets import load, _iris from Scikit-Learn.model, _selection import train, _test split from Scikit-Learn.neighbors import, neighbors classifier from Scikit-Learn.metrics, import accuracy, _score. We split our data into training and testing sets, x_train, x_test, y_train, y_test equals sign train test, split, x, y, test_size equals sign 0.2, comma random_state equals sign 42. This code illustrates a typical machine learning adventure in Scikit-Learn: loading data, splitting it, creating and training a classifier, making predictions, and evaluating the model. I bet you didn't know how crucial data preparation is for training a successful machine learning model. Welcome to Section 6, where our journey takes us to the heart of machine learning: preparing your data and training your model. Imagine you're an artist, and your data is the raw clay. Before you can sculpt a masterpiece, you need to prepare your materials. Scikit-Learn is your toolkit, helping you clean your data by handling missing values and removing duplicates, just like smoothing out the clay. Outliers are the unexpected bumps in your clay. Dealing with them is crucial, and so is feature scaling. Features with different scales can throw off your model, much like uneven clay can ruin a sculpture. Scikit-Learn offers standardization and normalization to ensure your features are on the same scale, making your data ready for the next step. Feature encoding. Think of categorical features as different colors of clay. Convert them to numbers using one-hot encoding or label encoding with Scikit-Learn, turning your colorful data into a unified palette. Once your data is prepped, it's time to train your model, like an artist beginning to shape their sculpture. Training involves feeding the model with labeled data, input features and target values, much like an artist follows a design blueprint. Scikit-Learn provides a simple API for model training, making the process as smooth as a well-practiced technique. First, create an instance of the model, then call the method with the training data. The model learns by adjusting its parameters to minimize errors and improve accuracy, just as an artist refines their sculpture to perfection. I bet you didn't know how crucial fine-tuning is for achieving peak performance in machine learning models. Imagine you've just chosen the perfect algorithm. But that's only the beginning of our adventure. To truly unlock its potential, you must delve into the world of hyperparameters, tweaking and tuning them to perfection. These hyperparameters are the secret levers that control the learning process, and they can make or break your model's performance. Enter cross-validation. Instead of relying on a single train test split, cross-validation divides your data into multiple parts, testing the model in various ways. This method provides a more accurate estimate of your model's true performance. Now, let's talk about hyperparameter tuning. Scikit-Learn offers powerful tools like grid search and random search, designed to explore different hyperparameters and identify the optimal ones. These tools automate the search, making it easier to find the best settings for your model. By fine-tuning these hyperparameters, you can significantly boost your model's accuracy, ensuring it performs brilliantly on new data. And that, my friends, is the magic of fine-tuning for peak performance. Everybody is looking for the best way to dive into machine learning. Welcome to Chapter 8, where we embark on an exciting journey with Scikit-Learn, your gateway to the world of machine learning. Imagine a world where coding meets intelligence. We've explored Scikit-Learn's rich history, its seamless installation, and its powerful features that bring data to life. Picture yourself building and training machine learning models effortlessly with this incredible library. Scikit-Learn opens doors to classification, regression, clustering, and so much more. Its intuitive interface, comprehensive documentation, and vibrant community make it a treasure trove for learners and experts alike. But remember, this is just the beginning of your adventure. The realm of machine learning is ever evolving, filled with endless possibilities. With Scikit-Learn as your guide, you're ready to explore and conquer this thrilling field. This is why you need to continue your machine learning journey with advanced topics and resources. Imagine yourself diving deeper into the ocean of machine learning, where countless advanced topics await your exploration. Scikit-Learn is your trusty vessel. Let's embark on a journey to discover some advanced territories. First stop, ensemble methods. Picture combining multiple models to achieve superior results. Next, we venture into the realm of deep learning. Here, we create and train neural networks for tasks like image recognition and language processing. Our journey continues to reinforcement learning. Imagine training agents to make decisions that maximize rewards. Next, we explore time series analysis. Here, we analyze data over time to make forecasts. Our final destination is natural language processing. We delve into working with text data to uncover meaning and insights. Let Scikit-Learn be your guide in this vast world of machine learning. So, experiment, explore, and discover the boundless power of machine learning. Your adventure has just begun. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of Scikit-Learn and machine learning. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button, leave a comment below, and share this video with your friends. Your support helps us create more content to guide you through the exciting realms of machine learning. Stay curious, keep learning, and let's continue this journey together. See you in the next video.